Hi friends, this is Mr. Pogi here, or Kumusta in Filipino, which means hi, how are you? I'm going to show you something close and dear to me. It's my mom's favorite recipe, which is passed down from her grandmother. I'm going to show you how. Usually my mom makes it for special occasions. I'm going to show you how to make what they call bibingka. Hi guys, so the ingredients that we need is 6 eggs, half a cup of butter, sugar to your liking, 2 glutinous rice flour packs, 2 evaporated milk, and 1 can of coconut milk, and we'll go from there. Alright, first thing to do guys, is get a bowl, good enough to put your flour and your mixtures in. We're going to crack 6 eggs. 6 eggs. 1 egg. Two eggs. Three eggs. Alright guys, we're going to put in the last egg. Next we're going to put half a cup of butter. So we're going to grab a half a cup of butter here. I'm going to use a measuring cup. We're going to put half a cup. I used to eat this all the time. My mom used to make this, so it should taste really good. It reminds me of my childhood. Nostalgic thoughts. Just going to put half a cup in here. Once that is done, we're going to put sugar. We're going to put half a cup of sugar here. Yes, what I was trying to say is, it reminds me of nostalgic thoughts, and it's quite simple to make. I've always asked this for special occasions. I'm not going to put too much. About half a cup. If you want some more, it's up to you. We're going to do that. Alright guys, so once you put in the eggs, the butter, and the sugar, we're going to put in 2 cans of evaporated milk by Carnation. It can be anything. Just going to put it in here. 1 and 2. And then we're going to put 1 can of coconut milk. We like using Arrow, but any brand works. And now we're just going to stir it. I forgot to mention, you need to buy some banana leaf. So we're going to keep stirring it until it looks like it's a yogurt texture. And then once that is ready, you're going to open up the glutinous rice flour together. Mind you, this is my mom's recipe, so it's not going to cook good like mom, but it's good enough so you won't starve. Alright, so keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. Keep stirring it here. Make sure everything melts. Once that is done, or seems to be, we're going to put 2 packs of glutinous rice flour here. Gotta be a bit messy. Put it in. 1. Put the second one in there. If you want the margarine to be easier to stir, you can melt it, but in this case we didn't. Just going to keep doing it until it turns into a yogurt-like texture. Keep stirring, keep stirring. And once you're done stirring, it'll look like it's yogurt. It'll be pretty smooth. I'll show you in a bit. Alright guys, now when it's fully mixed, we're going to pour it into the pan. Just going to mix it a little bit. This is how it should look like when it's properly mixed. I hope. Alright. Now we put this aside. We're just going to lay the banana leaf. It's only about under $2 in any store. Any Asian store, lay the banana leaf here, so then we can pour the batter here. So this is the batter, guys, and we're just gonna pour it in. So next up is, once you poured all the batter into the pan with the outlining of a banana leaf covering it, we're going to put it into the oven. Alright guys, so once we got that, we're going to put it into the oven at 350 degrees, I believe Fahrenheit. And we're going to put it in here, just at the top, and we will let it bake for maybe an hour and a half to 2. Alright friends, this is how you make bibingka. Thank you for watching.